In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit imported objects in a 3D viewport step by step. This process will help you gain more control over linked or collection-based assets, turning them into individual editable elements. Whether you're an experienced 3D designer or just starting out, these steps will make the transformation process straightforward and efficient. First, let's start by selecting the asset. Once you have your 3D software open, locate the imported object you wish to edit within the 3D viewport. Selecting the correct asset is crucial because it determines the object you'll be making changes to. Simply click on the object, ensuring it's highlighted. This gives you direct access to manipulate that specific asset. Next, we need to open the Apply menu. This can effortlessly be achieved by pressing Ctrl and A simultaneously on your keyboard. This shortcut is a quick way to access a set of operations you might need, which in this case helps in making your instances real. You'll find this option indispensable as you work with complex 3D scenes, saving you time and effort every step of the way. After accessing the Apply menu, it's time to select the option that reads Make Instances Real. Here's what happens when you do this. It effectively breaks down the collection or linked asset into individual objects, each of which becomes fully editable. This step is key because it changes the structure of the object from a single, often unwieldy asset to a collection of components you can edit with ease. Think of it as converting your object into a more flexible and manageable form. Once you've successfully made the instances real, it's time to dive into editing the mesh. To do so, you'll need to enter Edit mode. This is the fun part where the actual editing happens. You can enter this mode easily by pressing the Tab key on your keyboard. This action allows you to access the vertices, edges, and faces of the object, offering you the full range of editing possibilities. When you're in Edit mode, take your time to explore the various facets of your object. Whether you want to modify the vertices to add depth, adjust the edges for a smoother appearance, or reshape the faces for a more complex design, everything is at your fingertips. This flexibility is what brings your creativity to life, letting you put your unique stamp on every project. Remember, these steps aren't just about transforming an object, but about giving you the ability to craft and customize with precision. As you practice and become more familiar with these processes, you'll find that working with 3D objects becomes an exciting and rewarding experience. Enjoy bringing your virtual creations to life with ease.